Hey everybody, Tyler here at the Events Cafe. You probably already know that automated testing for functional stuff is a super idea, but what you might not know is how easy Events makes it to do automated testing for accessibility. Stay tuned and I'll walk you through it. Easy peasy. So for this example, we're going to use the version of our automation SDK that's designed for Selenium. I'm also going to assume that you've already installed it as a Gradle or Maven dependency, though if you haven't and you want to follow along, I'll put a link to the instructions in our developer docs in the description below. Let's head to the computer. Once the SDK is installed, you'll need to open your test file and initialize the SDK object like so. Then you'll need to initialize the Events WebDriver. Almost ready. Now take a look at my existing Selenium test file. For now, it just has one test, and that's to check out a few UI elements on a test site. Note that in order to run events here alongside the UI test, we don't actually need to modify the test itself. I'm only showing one test here in my file, but in reality, the work would be the same if I had a stable of 10,000 tests. So now I'm going back up to the top of the test file here and make some one-time tweaks to the before class and after class methods. Now we're ready to go. Basically, we told events to start when the test runs, stop when the test stops, and run a report. Note you're going to get one report for this entire test file, even if you have 10,000 tests exercising 10,000 different pages. In fact, let me fill in the rest of these API details and run this. And boom, here's the report. It's got all the usual events goodness built in: categorization of issues by severity, automatic deduplication, analysis of issues into their constituent coding patterns, and fix suggestions. Everything a developer needs to make great choices on what code to fix first and then get it done. Which is the point after all. If we can help developers get it done, then it will get done, and everybody wins. That's the power of easy. That's all for today, good people. See you next time right here at the Events Cafe.